Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate log x. We want to solve the integral of log x, also called ln x. The derivative of log x is 1 over x. This hint suggests we should use integration by parts. To set up integration by parts, the rule of integration by parts says integral of u times v prime dx equals u times v minus the integral of u prime times v. Here we choose u equals log x and v prime equals 1. Now, to differentiate and integrate, the derivative of u, which is log x, is 1 over x. The integral of v prime, which is 1, is v equals x. To apply the formula, now plug this into the formula. Integral of log x dx equals log x times x minus the integral of 1 over x times x dx. And to simplify, x times log x minus the integral of 1 dx. To solve the remaining integral, which is 1 dx is just x, so the result is x times log x minus plus constant of integration, and the final answer is x log x minus x plus c. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.